yan,
tayo.
ito base to. Ito yung parang pwede natin gamitin. Like, kung ito rin gamitin natin. Basta naglalagay naman tayo. Pero yung cut talaga may no karagat siya. Well, so base at saka yung cut.
Design cut.
Cora, lagay ko yung mga clothes sa likod since yun naman yung design area. Lalagay ko lahat ng mga tuyo na sa likod, both sides, kasi doon naman kayo, yung station sa likod para lahat ng mga pwede nyo lang start. Hindi, okay lang. Pili ka lang. Sa tingin mong pwede na nating umpisahan.
Yeah, ito mabilis lang. Bomber jacket.
Cut na.
Dagdag ng lace.
Sure.
It's gonna be a skirt.
Sige, pili ka lang, tapos lalagay ko lang sa likod.
Yun o, yung parang beach.
Using the scotch tape and the paint, mag-practice na kayo para pag may ano na kayo.
Nag-decide nyo na lang gusto ng lalaki pa babae.
Sige, lalaki.
Dito yung front off.
Lalaki na to para malaki.
Dala mo yung gamit mo na pang-inspiration.
Scotch, pero malaki. Boy na to, boy.
Yung damit na pang-inspiration mo, yung dala mo, yung pang-inspiration.
Ay, andun pa. Sige, wait lang. Wait lang, ihihi na rin ako eh. Pasok ako. Sige, paano na naman? Ganito halaki. Mag-ugis.
Huwag kati.
Cut na lang natin.
Wala.
Ito nga yung scissor.
Kayo na malaki.
Opo.
May iba pang scissor.
Be, yung totoo, kailan
Teka, kuha ko ng mas malaki. Teka. Can I hear mo? Saglit. Excuse me.
So, paano ito magiging Pwede pinturahan lang natin.
yung tabi, parang
Yung ganito lang.
pwede, that's yung tulad sa video. Pwede rin sigurong sting. Tapos damit mismo na punit.
Pantay ka, bes.
Testing. Aray sa sponge. Kaya, testing.
Pakita mo na. Pakita natin sa... Cora, approve. Pipaint na lang. Like letter K. Hindi, tape lang to, tapos ipipaint na lang. Pwede.
Yung edges medyo rough.
Shit eh.
Para
Ito maganda yan kasi lalabas yan. Yan.
Sa maganda yung niya, black siya.
Pwede kayong pasta.
Pwede pa yan. Pwede pa paano mo. Para tumulis. Cut din siya.
Asan yung
This is the design, people, sa likod, cut sa middle, tahi sa gilid, final countdown. Dito tayo sa gitna yung cut.
Bakit?
Gusto mo start? Start mo na.
Masira naman.
Uy, may damit. Paano natin tayo hiwalay? Uy, guys, may damit kami dito na hindi ukay. Damit namin na personal inspiration lang. Please, baka gupitin nyo. Dito lang siya sa chair. Okay. Ano gupitin to? Ito.
kanina yung
Uy, ganyan eh. Okay, kahit malit-malit.
try ko daw. Ito muna.
Okay. Bago natin simulan, make sure, hindi natin pwede.
Ito muna.
Try nyo muna sa Yan, testing nyo yan sa papel, Okay. Pwede.
Ang una pala, dinin mo na dahil pangat yung pag-una. Testing. Ganda.
Design ka naman. Yun, no?
Ikaw,
Sa
this is EURA. EU yan. Oh, sa tagiliran.
gilid lang kasi
Sa
gilid
gilid.
lang tayo. Sa,
Pero medyo-
labas mo sa
Ako muna, be, ha?
Hello.
nilalagay.
Lagyan kayo natin ng tubig.
Lalagyan niya daw ito ng tubig. Para siyang painting.
Para madami.
Pwede lagyan ng tubig yung fabric paint?
Yep. I think it's a girl shirt.
Meron na mga nakarin.
Take that back.
Ang ganda.
May itsura nito. Tagaganda.
Vanina. Never knew you were smart.
Grabe ka naman.
Joke lang lang yun.
Joke lang.
Cut.
Kuya.
Cutting people.
Yeah, correct. So,
Dito, design dito.
If we don't have the final product yet, we can just help them first.
alright. We're still cutting. I mean, we don't have a lot of pairs of scissors, but we have some things like that. Maybe we could use it if it's good enough.
Ay, acrylic pala to.
Kumakapit ba yan sa damit?
Ang kapit kaya to. Baka mamaya may paghugas ko.
Natanggal, no?
For some time, makakapit.
Sana yung mga friends natin bumili din, no?
Hindi mismo natin
Yung
kakilala
mga
siya.
kakilala natin magpunta talaga at para bumili, no? Yun ang tulog sa atin.
Sana tayo magbibenta.
Sana. Para makapag outside world naman. Siguro.
Ang ganda.
Di pa naman sigurado kung maganda ari pagtangali. Ay, nasan yung cake?
Hindi, kahit wala yung K, magiging ano pa rin yan kasi nagka-design sa gitna.
Ay, oo nga, no. Pag alis mo ng tape,
Ala, parang kiss mark pa. Ala, ngayon lang mag-iitsurang kiss mark. Dahil parang may buto sa gitna.
oo nga. Di ba parang kiss mark?
Ay, oo.
Kasi ito nakualisin yung cake.
Kaya nga.
Sana may paintbrush tayo.
May mga gunting pa ba tayo? Baga upo kisses baka matumba ka.
And then we have a pocket.
And then we have a pocket the same, so then you have the sleeves and you have this.
Okay.
I mean, it's easy to sew
How should we cut it? Ito, pagka di-detach.
May itsura nga rin ba yun? May ano pa to yun muna.
Maganda naman. Feel ko, ang ganda. Diba nila, ang galing. Diba nila, feel ko dito.
Wala tayong ganyan. Yeah, I think
Sobrang ganda.
we only have scissors in the normal machine. We can't make something like this.
Dito, sayang.
So I think what can we do is like just put a pocket like this.
Yeah, I guess.
Just a accent pocket.
Okay.
Kailangan natin, okay. to fingerprint lang mo. Look at me daw. You need your my boobs.
Yeah, okay, since you're gonna have to do this here, I need you to measure her pocket.
Here. Here. Here.
This, right? Because I need you to, because I can't do that.
Yeah. Ano po pwede ito? Four.
Wait, I need to find something to write something down with. Your pen.
Gawin ko na lang parang square. Ha?
Wait, Luz, can you pass me the pencil? Wait, pencil.
Sunod ikaw na ang gagawa. Depermahan mo din sa baba. Kisses.
Nanay ko bibili.
Oo, kailangan. Yaman na yaman ninyo.
4 sa taas.
Four inches?
3.5.
4 inches? Was
Yeah,
it 4?
3.5.
Sides are 3.5?
Just
But,
cut that stuff out. So make sure you cut
so
it
what about the
squares.
yan lang.
Just
PJ.
or not even squares. You can even cut some of them into triangles.
triangle?
Wait.
Triangle, any shape. Just make it easy.
So make it
So
square first. Huh?
The girls.
what's that look like?
The t-shirt, like black.
This?
Ano? Ito?
This one? Yeah.
This.
And this one. Okay. Thank you.
Saan mo gusto? Sa left or sa right? Pwede natin gawing ganyan yan siya. Itutupi na lang dito.
Yeah, I'm gonna do dark shit.
And then itutupi siya dito.
This is dark blue. We don't have any black guy shirts though.
Would this look good there? No.
Size for the pockets. It's 4 inches. 3.5, and then the curve is the 2 inch.
Okay.
Got it.
What do you think? Or should we really just, because it's gray and gray,
That's too similar to what it
Here, we
already
can keep
is.
it there.
right?
I think it was
Right?
4 inches,
Your idea was good.
3.5, and then
We the problem.
two.
We
Just want to eyeball it, or should we actually
So
take
should we just
measurements?
put this somewhere
Because
else?
we're gonna keep the same
Yeah,
size
I
pocket. This is like the standard size. We copied it from Penny.
Okay.
This is okay. This is for the.
Should we just
That's
should
for
I just
the-
trace it
yeah.
out? Actually, talaga, life
Yeah,
size.
you can do that. Yeah.
Yeah.
What I'm thinking.
Wait. Penny, could we for your shirt?
Stands.
Or I'll just do the my ruler, ba?
Merong tape measure.
Okay. I'm just gonna make life size.
Cutter.
Cutter.
Okay, cutter.
Ano ka cut?
Gagawing short.
Okay. Okay na.
Edward, can you pass me a ruler?
Yeah, sec.
That yardstick over there.
Kind of looks like a dragon.
Tape measure.
No, not that.
Padayakin na siya kasi tingnan mo sa essential. Ito yung crunch ko. Tapos mga
No.
Aura, Cora, kailangan niyo ba to? May gagawin.
Okay, this shirt definitely we're cutting, or we're gonna use this material. We can do this over certain. We have to be brighter, maybe brighter stuff. Brighter, like that. You know, something that's gonna pop out through that, or even No, it's not layered. It's just the front. We can use the tears, this for pockets.
Like elbows.
Patches on elbows. Do
Long
that.
sleeves lang.
Or shoulder pads. Like a shoulder thing, you know?
Should I cut it out?
Wala na tayong base.
We actually don't have that many base. That's the
Anong
thing.
color meron tayo ng base? Saan?
Well, we need more solids.
Yeah.
Or
Single colors.
For this one, we can just redesign this. If you wanna.
could make a
We
pocket.
have 100 pieces here.
A pocket, a see-through pocket.
Yeah.
Can I try this? No.
Actually, it could work as a pencil
What's up?
line.
Need help?
Do you wanna try the
Hawak.
here? The one na may idea there. Like
Yeah.
cut this.
So what do you mean by cutting this?
Like you know, like
Sa loob.
This
Sa
is
loob. Wait. Inside out. Balik sa
Oh, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. So you have stripe, stripe, stripe.
yeah.
Like in between.
Yeah, but it
spaces.
still looks a whole
Yeah,
picture.
yeah, I feel you, man.
But it's like a puzzle.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, let's try that. I think that would be.
Yeah. You can.
Definitely gonna keep this.
Yeah. Psycho ba ito bigay?
You need to
Nice.
use this.
Yan.
Hey, do you guys want to use this as a base shirt, Cora?
Explain ko lang to. So, ito. Kailangan ko yung whole picture.
I feel like you guys should
So
use
this,
this as
the
a base
design
shirt.
would be pagka...
I'll take it.
'Cause I don't know if you want to cut it. You can make it in a crop top.
Yeah, we can make it into a girl shirt, no problem.
It's already a girl shirt, but
Okay. Eto, gunting, kailangan daw. Sorry.
actually, if we did cut it,
magtahi?
Alright. I made some life-size pocket things, so
oh nice.
this is what the cut should be.
Check off. Perfect.
So, pare ko ang gagawin ko dito ay sakto ba ganito?
So yeah, what we're gonna do with the photo, 4 cubes instead.
Oh,
So instead of like that. Yeah, so it's easier. Here, what do you think we can do here? Because
I
think
was
this one,
thinking-
this is nice. The material is nice. We can use it as a pocket.
What I was thinking was
And then you leave like
keeping this,
Yeah.
but you cut it into the stripes, and like putting it on the side, but
Yeah.
but instead of keeping them in a line like this, like offset them,
Opposites, yeah.
offset them. Maybe leave some around the edge
ganito mga pre ha.
because
So, ito yung life-size thing. You leave this much para he can fold or whatever, but yeah, basically ganito
you
lang.
need to fold the in like that to
Yeah,
sew it
Yeah, when
on,
you saw it.
and also the all the tops.
So you leave
Allowance.
what? Just yan lang. That's good.
Yeah.
Less than an inch, a
Leave
little
like
less.
a quarter to a half inch.
Okay.
Yeah, quarter to or half to a half.
Allowance.
This, if you guys want to cut this,
Sana matuyo bago mag...
May, okay na, pwede ko i-cut yan after this. Mabilis lang naman to.
After niyan,
Paano i-cut?
tanggalin lang tong silk na part. So yung gagawin lang namin is
Papalitan.
You're like a fashion designer. Pak! Look at that.
Yun lang, ewan ko kung...
Sa-
Yes.
Mr. Jerome, so
Yes,
ano
sir.
na gagawin ko dito? Just send it off?
Yeah, pin it. Like, may mga pins doon. Like, pin mo siya kung saan mo siya gusto ma-attach and then tatahiin na. Fold mo na lang and then
I was thinking
tatahiin.
we could cut it.
Yeah.
Lipat ako dito sa tahian portion.
Pocket ng white.
Yeah, because we're gonna cut that naman.
Kailangan na?
But leave us lang the
Ako, nagtatahi ako.
so we can the pattern has a plan for the design. But you can definitely use the strap designs, yeah, for a pocket.
Oh yeah, of course. So what I was thinking for this,
Paano nabubura? Ba't di mo nabubura?
we'll have a tear. Starting from here, going across the shirt. Not all the way down, just across the shirt, onto the back. So it's like a stripe going down the shirt and onto the back all the way through. But it's tears.
Okay. Shoot.
Saan kaya ito ibebenta lang?
Sa labas.
Sana nga, marami bumili.
Po.
Ayun. Always looking at me,
Pinit.
baby.